Hey, how's it going? Boys and girls, I have a surprise for you. I have the Prospector's Dream Pay Dirt. This is a large bag. It is wild stream caught gold. I got it from Prospector's Dream. This is the large 12-ounce bag, and they even threw in a nice Dream Mat sticker. But it's not just another pay dirt review, because I'm super excited. We also have the Cleanup Buddy here, and this is a 3D printed sluice. It has a 400 gallon per minute 110 volt pump. They also have a 12 volt pump, but it comes with the Dream Mat here. Take this out. So it does come with some shipping oils on the Dream Mat, so we're going to clean that off with some soap and water real good, just to get the mold release off of it. And we're going to run this bag of pay dirt through this Cleanup Buddy. Stick around. Alright, so we got the Cleanup Buddy kit in the water, and you can see right there, I don't know if you can read that, but there's a water line, so it shows you where you want to have the water. And there's a bubble level, so you can see when the Cleanup Buddy's level. Alright, so let's put our Dream Mat in now that we're nice and level. And it just slides right in there. There's a little groove, like almost a slotted track for you to stick this in. And it fits perfect. There we go. And we'll grab our pay dirt. Alright, I'm not going to classify this Prospector's Dream pay dirt, but I am going to get it wet. So we'll dump it in our Garrett 10-inch pan here. Real light colored. Make sure we get it all out of there, bud. Real light colored, and we're going to go ahead and put some water in here just to wet all of our material. So we got our mat cleaned up, we got everything set up, and in here again, I went ahead and classified that material. There were quite a few pebbles in there. I classified it down to 20 mesh. I didn't have anything in the 20 plus size. So let's go ahead and run our classified material through here. Now it says you can run to 1/4 inch, but we're going to go with 20 because this is more like what my cons would be after a day of panning. I'm already seeing some gold in the Dream Mat, mostly in these top few riffles, or vortexes. Alright, we just ran all the pay dirt, so let's let this run for just another minute and clean out these mats, and then we'll do our clean out. And one thing I noticed is there's still quite a bit of material back left in there, and I don't know if I had the Dream Mat pushed all the way up in there. I'll have to keep messing with that. But we'll just run the pump and see if we can clean this out. Alright, now that we got the Cleanup Buddy cleaned out, we'll go ahead and pan what we got left. See how we did. Now there's no advertised weight on the large pay dirt bag, but I'll put what I got down in the description below. I'm also going to check my cons, and we'll see what kind of percentage recovery we got. And there's what we got. I'll weigh it out, of course, and put the weight down in the description below. And I'm going to go ahead and pan out these tailings and see how we did, what our recovery rate was. All right, so once again, here's what we got in the cleanup buddy. Pretty decent haul. Much better than we do here in Minnesota. And I went ahead and panned out the tailings, and all that I missed were these specks here. And I suspect that this big piece was probably in my classified stuff that I panned out just kind of carelessly. As you can tell, I'm not pretty good at panning. And then just that one small speck, that's all it missed. And again, that could have fallen out of the pan or fallen out of the scoop, I don't know. So what do I think of the cleanup buddy? I like it. It's pretty easy. Again, it has a water level there, so you know where to get the water level. It actually has a bubble level right here, so you can keep it level. Tuning the pump is just this little dial. You twist it to the right or to the left to get the flow that you want. The Dream Mat, it was really easy to clean out. It didn't clog up once I classified it down. Now they say it can fit quarter-size material. I classified down to 20 mesh. Probably didn't need to do that, but again, that simulated kind of some cons that I'll bring home, just the black sands. The Dream Mat, as always, is a champ. I love this thing. And if you're not good at panning like me, this is great. Or if you have, if you're out camping or you're out in your camper or RV, keep this in there. I think I'm going to use this a lot. Really a big fan. And I love 3D printed things. This thing, I don't know if you can tell, but it's 3D printed. I can't tell if it's PLA. I suspect it's probably PETG or ABS. Can't quite tell. But I really like it. Again, I got it from prospectorsdream.com. If that's not your thing, I'll post a link to Amazon as well. I did have to pay for shipping from Prospector's Dream. And I did pay for this out of my own money. I think this was about $85, something like that, with the motor. And it does have a 12-volt conversion kit as well. And the pay dirt was $40. Again, I just love pay dirt. As you can tell, I'm not good at panning. So pay dirt is just a great way to hone up my skills. And we just had another inch of rain, so the streams are still blown out around me. And so we'll try to get out as soon as we can. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. And as always, thanks for watching.